swimming pool. We got a little living room bit to eat and stuff. And here we got our single beds. Little kitchen area. A massive wardrobe in the dark. Where's the light? God.
I'll take a picture.
Does it work now? Oh yeah. This is our little bathroom. Nice.
This is cute.
It's our first official minute free from our luggage. And look how cute this is when you come out of the lift. How magical is that?
How baby. I hate your recording. Man's doing up secret.
It's gonna look cute. What are they gonna do? What are they gonna do? Beach board. Prior Sutton. Guys, we're at Prior Sutton. We're gonna walk down, so we'll show you more later. Guys, don't let the camera fool you. It's sweaty and hot. Oh my god, there's escalators.
You're actually shaky.
I'm not shaky. I'm walking. I'm walking on pebbles. Guys, there's an escalator going down to the beach.
Because who wants that?
Guys, we've got one more escalator to go down. Don't watch my shoes today. I tried to wear my Yeezy slides yesterday and they rubbed my foot so bad that I only wore them for 10 minutes.
What foot where?
Yeezy lied to us. Be my baby.
Whoa! Hey, sexy mama. Hey, sexy mama. Hey, sexy.
Scary. Hi guys, we're going out to eat. Today, I have cut my finger open a Desperado. Had a bad stomach the whole day, and I think it's because we made boiled eggs, but I don't know if it's spiced, I don't know. So,
I'm burnt.
she's burnt, and we timed quite well for like 20 minutes. So now we're trying to find a place to eat. It's a bit windy but warm.
We're at the strip right now.
Kim dragged me here and it's so scary. So anyway, once we sit down, I'll video properly and I'll show you our food. Bye. And it's bare cold.
Deep in her life because she got a drink. She got an alcohol drink that she doesn't even want. Cause she doesn't want to eat here because it's too expensive. So she got a strawberry daiquiri. And I got the mango version. Looks cute. Looks cute.
It's not that it's too expensive.
What?
There's just not that many options.
Yeah, it's true. It's like one page.
No. Hours.
Look at the view. It's actually so nice.
So hard.
I said nice.
No. I think we can take.
Right, the winds.
Where are we going?
We're going to Paris, Italy.
Oh, look how far.
lady seats here.
Thank you.
Thank you. I go and take this off when we go up.
Obviously.
Oh,
What's that?
chewing gum.
Lick it for real.
No, fuck off.
Okay, you're done. You're done.
Did you picture it?
Yeah. Hey guys, so me and Kimbo are at the marina in Albufeira, and we booked to go parasailing when you get on like these seat kind of things, and they connect to a boat and then they kind of like fly you in the air, like 80 meters in the air. But me and Kim felt sick about it all day. Like, we could tell we were just like not with it. And then we get to the thing and they come back and check in at 2:10. He was like, okay. Kim bought the bottle. He was like, okay. And then we're sitting there debating if we should even do it. So Kim goes over to the woman and goes, I'm too scared. Can we change it? And then she called her, they call it a superior, which is basically a supervisor. And she approved it. And now we're going on like a jet, what is it?
Haven dolphin hunting.
A big difference. We're like babies, so that's what we're doing instead now. So see ya. Oh.
We even have this ready, right?
Well, she can still use that. Yeah. So see ya.
Yeah, come on now. I got to be the driver.
Guys, Kimberly tried to kill me on the cod. We're on this one. Everyone else is on puppies.
Okay, guys.
How was your food?
Oh, it was amazing, clearly. So there's a fight race. Part 2. We're in Portugal this time. Yeah, fight outside restaurant. Oh, look.
So are you finished?
Yeah, so I'm finished. I'm not gonna just chat shit just so that she can afford.
Me and Kimbo are going on a 6-hour boat with a barbecue.
Barbecue and a little sunset.
I don't know about sunset, but we'll see what we do.
Kayaking, snorkeling, diving, everything.
So we'll keep you tuned.
We'll keep you tuned. I will have my life vest on for today.
Okay. All right. Bye.
Bye. So Bae is just cooking me some dinner for our 2nd day anniversary. And I'm going to show you guys. She's there cooking right now. Yeah. I'm so excited because I think it's going to taste amazing.
But the last few minutes have been all about Paiva with 2 more corn.
That looks so good, Bunny.
Wait. You have to look at the pasta.
I guess I had to look at the pasta.
But I can't really.
I get it up for you. Bunny, that looks so good. Thanks, my lover.
You're gonna try it now.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is so cute.
Okay. Wait, careful because it's hot.
With the other Iowa boys showing their support, the college student from Cedar Falls made it interesting. But like all the other Iowa teams tonight, Barron's run
Is it good?
Wow. Wow.
Out of 10.
That exploded in my mouth.
What out of 10?
Wow. Final so good. What the fuck?
Out of 10 then.
10.
Is it?
That's so good.
Okay, we eat all that
Oh my
now.
god, that's so good.
You eat all that up.
No, I will.
Okay. I'm gonna serve my own now. Say bye. Oh.